I am totally new to this whole air fryer game, but I just found out you can hard boil, soft boil, make jammy eggs in an air fryer. Excuse me? Okay, we're gonna test this out. Let's go. I saw 2 different videos, 2 different temperatures, so I will try them both out. 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 9 minutes for one of them, and 375 degrees, 6 minutes for the second one. And when they're done, make sure you place the eggs into an ice bath. Super important to shock the eggs to stop the cooking process. And then the longer you put them in the water, about 10 minutes, the easier it is to peel the shell. All right, so I'm gonna cut into the one we air fried for 9 minutes. And I would say this is a good option for like ramen noodles, slightly runny in the center, but not fully set. But, ooh, I do like this one, less time at a higher temperature. A good runny yolk, I'm all about. Easy, simple. Hope y'all enjoy.